to the party that injustice is not good. It looks as if it's the season for Cross River to receive, and we will not keep quiet. So if it means we have to protest every day, we are ready till they do the right thing. We, the Cross River people, have been speaking since yesterday from the states and now in the national as well, that there should not repeat injustice to Cross River. The NDDC slot given to given to one of our brother, it's not a bad idea, but for us, we believe in a reward system. Who works should be who to eat. Somebody who fought against a system should not be the first person benefiting from the system. So at least even if they say it's a unity government, let the people that work first start getting the reward. We are rejecting the slot of Cross River for NDDC. We are rejecting it 110%. That's why we are here. We're going to continue this protest till the right thing is done. Whoever has worked should be the person to benefit. We are rejecting, there are so many APC stewards that are qualified, even more qualified, to do that work, to go and represent us in NDDC. Those people should be carried along. Those people should be appointed, not somebody from another party, not somebody that fought us. I mean, it's a unity government, but let us not start by causing more problem within ourselves. So we are rejecting the NDDC slot for Cross River. There are so many people in Cross River. Let those people be nominated, and that's why we are here. We are not in support of that. A PDP member cannot come and benefit from APC. We won't be part of that. We have not nominated him. We should be the one that would nominate him. I mean, somebody cannot come from another state to come and nominate somebody in another state to represent that state. It's not done like that. Leaders should learn to respect other leaders in other states. If our leader, the governor of Cross River State, said, this is who I'm nominating, I won't be here. Nobody will be here. These Cross River women will not be here to come and say, oh, if the governor nominates somebody, we are fine. If it's the governor that nominates my brother, we are good to go. But as long as the hands of the governor is not there, we will keep protesting till the right thing is done. Enough of injustice for Cross River State.
Apart from rejecting the nominee, what are other options open up for you?
Well, like we just had a protest a couple of days ago about the woman leader slot, which was taken away from us. That's why I said it's like this is a season for Cross River to receive injustice from this party, and it's really, really sad. It's so sad because we worked so hard for this renewed hope, and I don't think this is from Mr. President. Mr. President is somebody that I started working for Mr. President 3 years before the primaries, 3 good years, because I know who he is. So I'm sure Mr. President will listen to us, and he will immediately do the right thing to make sure the APC family in Cross River State, I mean, their heart is calm. Calm the APC family down in Cross River State. He will do the right thing. I don't think the woman leader slot is we are still protesting. We are not even done with that protest yet, and here we are with the NDDC slot. And NDDC is not where you just, it's a very sensitive sector for you to just pick somebody from a different political party to come and I mean, it's totally unfair, and it's totally unfair, and we are rejecting it, and yeah, that's why we're here. Many from the APC, so many. I mean, so many. I can't count. They're uncountable. Let the governor give the government, the presidency, a nominee for NDDC, and whoever the governor picked, we are good to go.
After your first protest, have you gotten any response from the authorities?
That's what I'm saying. We were still waiting for the first response. We're expecting a reversal. We're expecting, they've promised so much. We are not seeing they're supposed to give us, replace a slot, give us another slot for Cross River. We've not seen that. And here we are, another bombshell again for Cross River, giving somebody, nominating somebody for NDDC, somebody from a different party totally. It's totally sad. Thank you.